Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. Today, we've got a beast straight out of the Fast and Furious universe, Jada's 124 scale Shaw's Lamborghini Aventador from Furious 7. Now this matte black Aventador is an absolute stunner. In the movie, this was Deckard Shaw's ride, and Jada has done a great job capturing the aggressive stance and sharp lines of the real car. Let's start up front. You've got the signature Lamborghini headlights with that angular styling, the detailed front grille, and of course the Lamborghini badge sitting proud on the nose. The matte black finish really makes this car look stealthy and menacing, just like Shaw himself. Moving to the side, check out those wheels, intricate black rims with low-profile tires that give this car its supercar stance. The scissor doors open up, letting you peek into the interior. And inside, Jada didn't skip the details. The dashboard, racing-style steering wheel, and those red accents on the seats really stand out. From the back, you've got those aggressive taillights, the quad exhaust setup, and the rear deck with sharp sculpted vents. And I love that Jada included the Furious 7 license plate branding right on the back, tying it back to the film. Overall, this diecast captures both the elegance and the aggression of the Lamborghini Aventador, while giving fans of Fast and Furious a perfect display piece. So whether you're a die-hard Fast and Furious fan, a Lamborghini enthusiast, or just love collecting 124 scale models, Jada's Shaw's Lamborghini Aventador is a must-have for your collection. That's all we've got for today here on Diecast Speedway. If you enjoyed this showcase, stay tuned for next time we'll be showing this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro from Jada's Fast and Furious collection. And don't forget to cruise through our other videos right here on the channel to see some of our other cool rides. So until next time, keep diecasting and God bless.